here the local time is approaching 10 to 7. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened till the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the captain switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please take care when you're opening the overhead lockers, as items of your carry-on luggage may fall out and cause injury. And for those who smoke, we ask that you refrain from doing so until you have reached a designated smoking area that is well outside the main terminal building. For more routes, hotel, car hire and for your onboard receipts, then please continue to visit us at Ryanair.com. But finally, on behalf of the captain, first officer and the onboard cabin crew, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us and wish you a pleasant stay in the local area or a safe home journey. Thank you and have a lovely holiday.